And I would say that the surprise for you is still, if not the top three of all time, because I remember I was like sneaking around and I knew you knew me. And I was like, I'm telling you, there's somebody who, like, if I just come around the wrong corner and she sees me, Roxanne, like, gig is up. She will know. Like,
hi.
How you doing?
Good. Doing good. Almost 10 years.
Oh my God. It's been 10 years. You're coming up on your transplant.
I was writing you when I was in the hospital waiting for my heart.
You were, I remember. So what have you been doing while while at home or while not being able to do your day in, day out?
Okay, well, I've been doing two things. I've been volunteering as a American Heart Association ambassador. I've been working with them, and also always with Live On New York, an organ donation ambassador, and with UNOS, which is United Network of Organ Sharing. They are the people who allocate the organs. So those are the people that pick the organs to go where. So I learned a lot about them, and actually I have a radio show.
What?
Yes, tomorrow morning I'm going to have the people from UNOS on there. I had the CEO of the American Heart Association, lots of good stuff. So it's every Wednesday morning and I have a radio show.
I gotta start tuning in.
What else I actually did go out to Spring Valley to walk for George Floyd. I did that.
No, yeah, I was wondering if you've been taking part in any of the marches.
Everything online. And I did go out to Spring Valley to be there physically, but everybody knowing that I was a transplant patient, they actually made a place for me that I had a chair and they wouldn't let anybody around me. No. So I did get to go to NAACP. That was awesome. A great day. It was very emotional, but necessary.
And I'm so glad that it's still going, and I'm so proud.
It is good.
And side by side with you and with all humanity to make sure that the Black Lives Matter, and to make sure that we are heard and that there is actual change, and it is it's not a moment, it's a movement. How's your family? I know your brother passed away right after we did the reveal, and I was so sorry to hear that. He was
our dog passed away too.
One of the sweetest guys. Your dog, I heard. Well,
again, but you know what? When we watch the episode, we see him, which is really. Yeah, he passed away, but we have rescues now. I don't know if they rescued me or I rescued them.
That's what dogs do. You rescue them.
We have a Great Dane, and we have a German Shepherd. I don't know why I did it. But we have two crazy dogs. So we've been.
How is the yard? How's the
back?
Yeah, you need me to get up there to mow it?
The backyard is. You don't want to see it. Front yard is beautiful. I actually took the couch that was in the backyard and on deck, and I put it in the front. Beautiful. It's right by the rhododendrons. They just finished blooming. They just passed out. I mean, it's beautiful. I'll send you a picture. I put the picture up on Facebook, and Jesus, I don't know how many likes we got. People are like, "Oh, it's so fabulous. It's beautiful." Backyard's another story, but.
Well, hey, you know what? I'm telling you, we put a Good Foundation there, so I'm sure there's another one. Get me over there with a lawnmower. I'll call Steve, see if he wants to join me. Give that thing a mow. I think everything will probably pop right back up because, again, we ripped out all that stuff.
Everything.
Cleaned everything up. That was an undertaking, but could not have been for a better person. And I had a great time. Everybody in your neck of the woods who came out to participate from Pilar, unbelievable people.
Still drive by here.
Yeah.
Literally drive by here and still take pictures to this day. Every time I go out and do my events at the street fairs and the malls, everybody's like, "Oh, you were the one, your yard, you're the one." Yeah. We had after that show, we had a lot of people contact us to want to know about organ donation, want to ask questions. I don't know how many people, at least, I'm not joking, at least 200-300 people.
Now we've done over 100 surprises, and I would say that the surprise for you is still, if not the top three of all time, because I remember I was like sneaking around, and I knew you knew me, and I was like, I'm telling you, there's somebody who, like, if I just come around the wrong corner and she sees me, Roxanne, like, gig is up. She will know. Like,
I will
somebody,
know. Absolutely.
And to be able to come up on that stage and surprise you, I tell you, I don't know who had more butterflies. I love that we were able to surprise you there with the news that we were able to come to your rescue.
We went to a reunion. I go to my college reunion every summer in Delaware, and we went last year, and we actually watched the episode. Everybody came into the room, and we watched the whole episode. It's only 21 minutes, so it was
once you take the commercials out and all that, it's only 21 minutes.
Yeah. Watched it. It was fun.
I'm looking at that picture right over your shoulder of Michael, and I just remember when we were all outside and we were talking, and just, you know, we wouldn't be here if he wasn't an organ donor, you know, and who knows what would happen to you. But
we wouldn't be here if his parents didn't say yes.
Right, and that was one of the most just powerful moments of this, you know, my life. Not even the show, just seeing that.
And that was like the second or third time. It was only the second or third time they've been to Rockland County. That was exciting to have them here, you know.
Well, we reached out to the family, and that's the first video I want you to watch. This is from Michael's parents.
Hi, Roxanne.
Hi, Roxanne.
I can't believe it's been 10 years. I think back of that fond day when we did the filming of George to the Rescue, and I sat on that bench and we got to listen to our son's heart. What an incredible memory that we will hold forever. Thank you. We just want to say congratulations. 10 years. You have done so well with all that you've done for the community, for Live On New York, and promotion of organ donation. Thank you so kindly. May God bless you and continue to keep his hand on you.
We're so thankful that you are now a sister to our girls, and I happen to be the mama, but we just love you, and we're very happy for you, and God bless you, and we know we can only do this through God.
Why do you do this to me, you people?
We also wanted to just have you watch the video of what they were talking about. If you wouldn't mind clicking on the other link.
You got a beautiful family.
Yeah, I do. I'm a lucky girl in a lot of ways.
It's okay. You got to help me with it. Hold this in. I'll put this in my ears, right?
Yep.
Am I doing this right?
Where is it? On my. What side is it on? This side, right?
Yeah.
I love that. You're like, where is that heart again?
What side is it on?
But when they were talking about just how strong it's beating, and you're like, I can hear it right now without even.
Yeah, I can feel it in my neck. Still.
It's gonna kill me.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Twy.
Yeah.
Want to hear Uncle Michael?
Baby girl. Look how cute she is.
Adorable.
Can you hear Uncle Michael?
And I mean, I think this video in itself should be the ad campaign of why there should be organ donation. You know,
Not a bad idea.
There's people who they don't understand, like, why would they want to take an organ from somebody they love and not bury it with them or cremate it with them? Why would they want that to live on? You are living proof for that.
When I was waiting, and it was like, at that point, it was like 60 something days, you know, it was 104 days altogether, but I think I was probably around my 60th day. I don't know what it's called, you know, I'm not very over religious, but I had, like, as Oprah would say, an aha moment. And something just came to me and it said, you know what, if God, whoever lets you live, the source lets you live, you're gonna get up and you got this work to do. And after that, it was all very simple. And that feeling has never left me. It doesn't wane for one day. There's never a day I go by that I don't think about this, about Michael and the work that has to be done in his honor. So it's easy. For me, it's very easy. It's
so admirable, and it's contagious, and it's inspiring. And I am proud to not just call you my friend, but you are part of my George Rescue family, and I love you very much. So just when's your radio show? What's the call time? Your social media stuff and all that.
Okay.
Floor is yours, Roxanne.
So if you want to get in touch with me, it's so easy. It's Roxanne Watson, period. It's Roxanne Watson on Facebook. It's Roxanne Watson 74 on Twitter. It's Roxanne Watson 6 on Instagram. Easy, done. If you want to sign up to be an organ donor, you go to registerme.org. It doesn't matter what state you're in. You can register in every state with registerme.org. If you're in New York, you can register just in New York or Live On New York. And that's the ones who sponsor my radio show. My radio show's on every Wednesday on WRCR, 1700 AM New York. It's the last station on the dial. Super easy. If you want to get in touch with, if you want to listen to it live stream, it's WRCR.com. Simple, free, do not pay. It is free. And you can listen to that from everywhere. It's about love and sharing your life after your life is over. That's what we want.
That was beautiful. Just beautiful. No excuse not to follow or learn more from my friend Roxanne Watson. Truly a motivator, a teacher, a preacher, a mover and shaker. And I am honored and proud to call you my friend and my family, and I love you. And stay safe. Keep sharing that love, and I will continue to do the same.
Just go do your things, share the love, and can't be wrong. It just can't be wrong. Thank you all.
Thank you for watching, and if you are looking for more inspiring George Rescue content, please subscribe to our channel.